Hello guys, thank you to Mr. Angelo Aguinaldo for showing me my mistake. Tama siya, RSB2 is 366.32. Ito ano? And then tama rin to 234.45. Ngayon, ito yung sample ko. Ipapakita ko yung aking mistake. Tapos, ito yung check number 14. So, ito yung mistake ko. Tsaka yan. And then, ito yung susundan pa rin natin. Ano? Ngayon, yung mistake ko, yung thickness T, hindi ko na multiply ito ng 1,000. So, ipakita ko lang. Yan o. Okay? Ayan. So, pi dBtx squared divided by 4 divided by rho g times t. Which is yan. Ganito yan. Dati. Ito, walang 1,000. Ito, wala rin. Hindi rin na-multiply ng 1,000. Ayan, di rin na-multiply ng 1,000. So, lahat yan, hindi ko siya na-multiply ng 1,000 yung thickness T. Dahil yung thickness T dito, ayan, mapapansin nyo, T yan, ano, T. 0.67 meter. Dapat, millimeter yan. So, if I will, ito na yung aking correction. So, yung T na yan, i-multiply ko yan ng 1,000. Tapos, see what happens. Ayan, multiply ko rin ng 1,000. Ayan, times 1,000. And finally, etong rebar number 2, yung 366.32, see what happens, i-multiply ko to ng 1,000. Lalabas yung 366.32. Tsaring! Na, next, ito naman, RSB7. I-multiply ko ito ng 1,000. Oops. Kasing! Ayan. See? So, very good. Very good, Mr. Angelo, for showing me my mistake. Okay, guys. So, that's it. Thank you very much. So, probably I will resend this. Yan lang naman ng correction. And then, itong pattern, same thing, hindi to nagbago. Okay guys, good night.